Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss an important topic in business and marketing studies. The introduction to marketing and the concept of the 4 Ps of marketing, also known as the marketing mix. This topic is extremely important for students studying business, marketing, BBA, MBA, and management courses because it explains how companies successfully market their products and services. So let's start with the first question. What is marketing? Marketing is the process through which businesses identify customer needs and wants, develop products or services to satisfy those needs, and deliver value to customers while earning profit. Many people think marketing only means advertising or selling, but in reality, marketing is much broader than that. Marketing starts even before a product is created. Companies first study the market, understand customer preferences, analyze competitors, and then design products that customers will find valuable. One of the most famous definitions of marketing was given by Philip Kotler, who is often called the father of modern marketing. According to Philip Kotler, marketing is the process of creating value for customers and building strong relationships in order to capture value from customers in return. In simple words, marketing is about understanding customers and delivering the right value to them. Now, the next question is, how do companies organize their marketing activities? To manage marketing effectively, companies use a concept known as the marketing mix. The marketing mix refers to a set of marketing tools that companies use to achieve their marketing objectives in the target market. The marketing mix concept was introduced by E. Jerome McCarthy, and it consists of 4 key elements known as the 4 Ps of marketing. These 4 elements are product, price, place, and promotion. Let's discuss each of these elements one by one in detail. First, we have product. A product is anything that can be offered to the market to satisfy a customer's need or want. Products can be physical goods, such as smartphones, laptops, clothing, or food items. Products can also be services such as online education, healthcare services, banking services, or transportation services. When companies develop a product, they must carefully consider many important aspects. These include product quality, product features, design, brand name, packaging, and warranty. For example, when a smartphone company launches a new phone, it focuses on camera quality, battery performance, screen resolution, storage capacity, and overall design. All these features help make the product attractive to customers. In addition, companies also focus on branding and packaging because these elements influence how customers perceive the product. The second element of the marketing mix is price. Price refers to the amount of money customers must pay to purchase a product or service. Pricing is a very important decision for companies because it directly affects sales, revenue, and profitability. If a product is priced too high, customers may choose a competitor's product instead. On the other hand, if the price is too low, the company may not generate enough profit. Therefore, companies carefully analyze market conditions and choose appropriate pricing strategies. Some common pricing strategies include competitive pricing, where companies set prices based on competitor prices. Premium pricing, where higher prices are charged to reflect high quality or luxury status, and penetration pricing, where companies introduce products at lower prices to quickly attract customers and gain market share. Discounts, seasonal offers, and promotional pricing are also common strategies used by companies to increase sales. The third element of the marketing mix is place. Place refers to the distribution channels through which products are delivered to customers. In simple terms, place answers the question, where and how will customers buy the product? Companies must ensure that their products are available at the right place, at the right time, and in the right quantity. Distribution can take place through various channels such as wholesalers, retailers, supermarkets, company-owned stores, or online platforms. For example, a clothing brand may sell its products in shopping malls, retail stores, and also through its online website. Similarly, many companies today sell products through e-commerce platforms, allowing customers to order products from their homes. Effective distribution strategies help companies reach more customers and improve product availability. The fourth and final element of the marketing mix is promotion. Promotion refers to the communication activities that companies use to inform customers about their products and persuade them to make a purchase. Promotion plays an important role in creating awareness and building a positive brand image. There are several promotional tools used by companies. These include advertising, social media marketing, sales promotions, public relations, and personal selling. Advertising can take place through television, radio, newspapers, billboards, and online platforms such as YouTube and social media. Sales promotions include discounts, coupons, buy one, get one offers, and limited time deals that encourage customers to buy the product. Public relations activities help companies maintain a positive image in the public eye, while personal selling involves direct interaction between sales representatives and customers. Now let's understand the 4Ps with a simple example. Imagine a company launching a new smartphone. The product is the smartphone itself, including its features, design, and quality. The price is the amount customers must pay to purchase the smartphone. The place refers to where the smartphone is sold, such as electronic stores, mobile shops, and online platforms. Promotion includes advertisements on television, YouTube, and social media, as well as promotional offers that attract customers. When companies carefully plan and manage all 4 elements of the marketing mix, they can successfully attract customers and compete in the marketplace. To summarize, marketing is the process of understanding customer needs and delivering value to them. The marketing mix, which consists of the 4 elements product, price, place, and promotion, provides a framework that helps companies design effective marketing strategies. By using the 4Ps correctly, businesses can reach their target customers, create strong brand awareness, and achieve long-term success. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends so more students can benefit from this content. See you in the next video.